Sup guys, over here. In this video we're gonna be completing tasks for Altlayer Altitude campaign phase 3. As usual, all links gonna be in description, but follow them at your own risk. Tasks are pretty simple, especially if you already done activities with the Eigen Layer on the testnet. So firstly we need to stake with the Eigen Layer, and you either need Lido Stake Ether or the Rocket Pool. I suggest to get ST-ETH, as the Rocket Pool sometimes is full and you cannot get it. So in order to get ST-ETH, you need to be on Galxe and obviously have some Galxe ETH, and we need to manually send some Galxe ETH to this contract address. Here we need to click I understand, and as you can see in the guide, the minimum amount that you need is 0.01. I suggest to do slightly more just in case. I will do 0.2 Galxe ETH. And we're just gonna send this, and after your Galxe transaction completes, the same amount of ST-ETH will arrive into your wallet. Then we're gonna go to Eigen Layer. Here we'll need to select Lido, and you can go ahead and stake it. This is the simple transaction on Galxe. And actually we can use this transaction also if you're doing Zeal quests for Mental Network. We can use this transaction address in order to complete the weekly quests on Mental. Zeal, it's right here in core quests. Stake ST-ETH on Eigen Layer, and you just provide your transaction address and that's it. But going back to the Altlayer, after we restaked our ST-ETH, we need to go to the Altlayer application, launch the app, connect the wallet. And here in the left menu there is a button Create. We select our Restacking trial, and I assume this shows our staking deposits. Okay, I'm not sure if we're supposed to change something here. Let's just leave it the way it is. I'll just leave it, we'll see. We need to sign transaction, create. Okay, duplicate flash layer name. Yeah, so I guess we need to put like a proper name here. That should be unique. Let's try this. Alright, it says deploying. And the last part is obviously going to Galxe and completing the rest of the tasks. Here you just need to retweet, verify, and your actual on-chain task should be manually updatable. So you'll need to wait on this one, and then obviously after it got confirmed, claim the points. The deadline here is gonna be August 13th for the actual task, and then August 16th to claim your points. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching. If you found video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.